Hi, friend. Are you ready to tell time and speak like English stars? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use vocabulary for telling time and make your own sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. In English, each word has a special job. We call these words parts of speech. These parts of speech help us understand how words work together in sentences. When we talk about time, we use three very important words called prepositions. The prepositions for time are on, at, and in. Ready to practice? Let's go. At. We say at for clock times. Repeat after me. At. Good job. At 8 o'clock. You say it. At 8 o'clock, we have dinner. You say it. Look, when the long hand is on the 3, that's a quarter past. Say it with me. A quarter past. Awesome. At quarter past 12, we have lunch. You say it. Now, when the long hand is on the 9, that's a quarter to the next hour. Say it with me. A quarter to. Brilliant. At a quarter to 4, we do homework. You say it. At 7 years old, I could read. You say it. We say on for days. Can you say on? On Monday. You say it. Great. On Monday, we go to school. You say it. On Saturday, we go to the movies. You say it. On the weekend, we go to the zoo. You say it. On December 25th, we celebrate Christmas. You say it. In. We use in for parts of the day, months, and for specific periods of time. In the morning. You say it. In the morning, the sun rises. You say it. In July, we celebrate our independence. You say it. In 10 minutes, I will be asleep. You say it. You are doing great. One more thing. Let's practice completing sentences. using our time words. Can you complete the sentences? Here we go. My birthday is May. What is the missing word? My birthday is in May. Good job. We have a test 3 p.m. We have a test at 3 p.m. You are doing great. She was born 1995. She was born in 1995. They will arrive Monday. They will arrive on Monday. The concert is the evening. The concert is in the evening. I usually go to bed midnight. I usually go to bed at midnight. We are going to the beach. The weekend. We are going to the beach on the weekend. He started his new swim class January. He started his new swim class in January. The movie starts 7 o'clock. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. I have an appointment Tuesday morning. I have an appointment on Tuesday morning. You have done an amazing job. Next, let's write using our new words for time. Write sentences using on, in, and at to tell about your day. What do you do on Monday? What do you do in the morning? What do you do at 7 o'clock? Write them down and share them with someone. Next, and finally, we have a poster that shows the important parts of a clock. We have hour hand, minute lines, number, and second hand. 60 seconds equals 1 minute, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Study the clock so you will be a time genius. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And lastly, share one of the sentences you wrote. See you next time. Bye.